So hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena, and today I am here to give you certificate. Why? Because you deserve this. Basically, I have done a series of logos in 7 days, 7 logos challenge. So basically this is the first one and these are the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Let's come to the fun part. If you make these all 7 logos, there are 3 benefits. The first one, your practice will be done in HTML and CSS. Second, you will learn more and more things in HTML and CSS. And the third benefit is more people will be attracted to this and they will find your consistency, and if you are consistent about your work, then you can do anything. Okay, so these are my videos and hopefully you understood this. Now what are the rules for it? Okay, so rule number 1 is you need to have your source code of all 7 logos. Rule number 2, post it on Twitter and share your achievements. So that's it. Okay, so the first one is Hashnotes, second JavaScript, third YouTube, fourth Facebook, fifth Dell, sixth Mercedes logo, and seventh is Microsoft logo. And I've already made a playlist of this. You can go to playlist and you can check which tutorial you want. So we are perfectly done with the explanation. Now my Twitter account is in the description and you need to just DM me if you are perfectly done. So I will share it and I will provide you your certificate which you deserve. Okay, so that is it for today guys, and I wish you the very best. I know you can do it. Thanks for watching.